So, are zebras diurnal or nocturnal? Zebras are diurnal, which means they graze in the sunlight. Did you know that no two zebras have the same stripes? Just like fingerprints! Yup, all different. Isn't that wild? Would you rather have stripes like a zebra or spots like a cheetah? Which one would you pick? Comment below what your choice is. See you next time for the next adventure.